I'm in the matter of matter here. Actually, matter of this name inhabitant. Just told there's a controversy. Just wanted to see if we can settle it.
Inhabitant. Let me pull it up.
So I'm just missing the tabs about
Is this your ticket?
I always like to believe that there's a controversy, and I came to settle any, controversies if there's anything.
Okay. Is this your car?
I am just using the property. If there's a controversy, somebody's making a claim here, I'd like to settle it.
Okay, so the violation is for having expired tabs beyond 45 days.
Who's making this claim?
City.
Is the city present here?
Is the what?
Is that one the one that's making the claim?
What happened is an officer went out and saw that the tabs on a vehicle were expired, and so then issued a ticket to the owner of that vehicle.
And do you have any first-hand knowledge of this, or?
Do I have any what?
First-hand knowledge?
No, I'm not the officer. So I work for the city, and we prosecute these tickets, and the people who issue them are the officers.
So is the city the claimant, the one that's making the claim that there's a controversy here, or?
I'm not sure what you mean by a controversy. This is a parking ticket, or like a ticket for expired tabs.
I'm usually always told that courts are for claimants, right? One defendant, one plaintiff.
Right. The owner of the car would be the defendant, and the city would be the plaintiff.
Okay, so is the city present here to give first-hand knowledge in the matter, or where is the city?
I work for the city.
When was the last time that you have spoken to the city?
I think you're confused.
Well, does this court work on first-hand knowledge or hearsay?
The IRLJ 3.3c allows us to read into the record any sworn statement by an officer and any report that an officer has made. And so based on that court rule, I could read into the report, the police report, which I have on my file here.
But so are you personally bringing a claim against this controversy, or?
I'm confused. Is this your car?
I'm just using the property.
Yeah, that's okay, but that's not the answer to the question.
But I'm here to settle the controversy. If there's a controversy, I'd like to settle it. And I'm just wondering, who's making the claim that there's a controversy. The city is?
The city has cited the registered owner.
Okay, so can I meet the city guy, or is that who's making a claim?
The city is an entity, like the town. Does that make sense?
So you're talking about the physical location?
No, I'm saying that the city is a party technically to this citation.
But in order for there to be a controversy, there has to be two claimants, right?
Right, and the city of Spokane, through its officers and through its prosecutors, is carrying out this ticket.
So can I meet the city guy, or?
I'm the city. You're meeting me.
Your name is City?
My name is Carly. I work for the city.
So, okay, Carly, does this court work on first-hand knowledge or hearsay information?
I've just explained to you that IRLJ 3.3c allows the city, which would be me, to read into the record the sworn statement of the officer and his report, and that's as if he was here sitting on the stand testifying.
I mean, I'd like to settle the controversy. If there's a claimant claiming that there's a controversy, I'd like to settle. I'd like to make payments.
Sure. Okay,
but
so
I mean, if you have never met this claimant, then is there a controversy between you and me?
I don't need to meet the claimant. The claimant is the city. I don't need to meet the officer who gave you the ticket because of IRLJ 3.3c.
So how does that apply to anything here?
I think you're confused. This isn't a criminal case.
So watch this. Is somebody making a claim that there's a payment that needs to be made, or who's making these claims in this paper right here? Did you make these claims?
The city.
So the city wrote this stuff here?
Yes. This is on behalf of the city.
Have you ever met the city in the first place?
The city isn't a person. The city is Spokane.
So that's something made up out of imagination or something like that?
No, Spokane is real.
It's real, but what can meet them there?
I don't think you understand what's happening here.
Well, I was told there's a controversy and somebody's making claims, and I would like to settle the matter.
Well, I'm telling, yeah, and so, you
So
want me to
if-
explain it one more time?
If you're coming against, like, if you're saying making claims that I owe something or that I need to do something, can you show me the contract? Or
I can show you the statute that you're in violation of, yes.
so how does that apply to me or anything in this matter? Like, do you have any evidence of that, even if like I'm physically located in this area?
I have photos of the car and of the expired tabs on the car.
But even if you're saying that this so-called code, whatever statute, somehow applies, do you have any evidence that it applies to me or to anything in this matter?
Yes. You want me to read you the statute?
I mean, you can read it, but does it apply to how?
It
How
applies
does it
to
apply?
every person in Spokane.
Is that your opinion or is that a
That
fact?
is the law.
A law?
The
And
law.
how does the law or anything apply to, let's say, me?
Well, you're in Spokane, so you have to follow the laws.
So just because I'm physically located,
Correct.
can you show me the evidence of that?
This isn't really law school. You know, I
I mean, somebody's
I'm not
making
going to give you an education on how the law works. I'm going to tell you, I can read you the statute
Yeah, but how does that apply to me though?
because you're in Spokane.
So what if I'm in physically, or we're talking about physical location or what?
There are different types of laws you can break whether you're here physically or not, but this specific law would, if you own this car and this car is in Spokane, you must abide by the laws.
So you're making this claim?
The city is making this
So if
claim.
the city's making a
I work
claim,
for the city.
okay, and when was the last time you spoke to the city? If you're acting like first-hand knowledge or hearsay?
I'm not going to answer these questions anymore, sir.
But I'd like to pay if there's a claimant. If there's any controversy, I'd like to settle the matter
Okay, so
honorably.
let me tell you the controversy. I'll pull it up. Okay, so this is a ticket. You have no temporary permit, no trip permit, no plate.
And who's me? Who do you think I am?
Well, you're here with this.
I mean, the matter of this, I mean, I've been known to use the property, but if there's someone making claims, I'd like to
Are
settle
you on
the
the
matter.
docket for today?
I'm sorry?
Are you on the docket for today?
Well, it says inhabitant, I believe I'm an inhabitant, and I'd like to settle the matter. I mean,
So 3 are reflections.
can we settle this honorably, or?
I believe so, yes.
Well,
Yes, because I don't know about the age.
okay, so,
Yes.
I'll pull some questions
Okay.
and dismiss them, but it sounds like maybe.
I mean, I'd like to settle honorably if it's possible.
I've actually never had anyone come in here talking about the app before, but I mean, it sounds like that's probably what the issue is. Like in the solutions app, but I can definitely take care of this today.
Okay, so you're in luck today because there was no registered owner information for the car. The car is apparently not registered, and because of that, it can't be linked to anybody right now. So I can dismiss this ticket, but just know that you will continue to get tickets.
Who, me?
Did you get this?
I believe I'm an inhabitant, so somebody must be making this claim, so I'm here to settle a matter if it's
Did this
possible.
come to your house?
I've been known to use that place.
What does that mean? Do you live there?
I'm just using it.
You're using it, so someone else owns it.
Maybe.
Are you confused?
Do you want me to testify against myself or
No,
what?
this is no one's testifying. We're just I just
Well-
don't know if you're confused.
If you believe I'm confused, that's your opinion.
Okay.
But as I said, if there's anybody making claims, I'd like to settle it honorably and, go on our happy ways.
Okay, so this just shows that we're dismissing this ticket that you brought in for inhabitant. I don't need you to sign because,
Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with me, right?
well, we don't know.
Alright, so I'm free to go?
Do you want a copy of the dismissal?
Oh, it doesn't have anything to do with me, so sorry.
Okay.
You can have this, it's yours.
You can, I don't need this. Okay.